Here's a quick explanation of how to use SVG Animator. So I'm going to bring in my sequenced PNG files and drag them and drop them in. I can select a global frame rate and I can click Generate SVG. And so straight away we've got a looped animation that I can download as an SVG that fits any browser pixel perfect. But what I can also do is chain intros onto the beginning of this animation that will precede it before settling into this loop. So I can add an intro like so. I can set the frames. I can set how many times I want this segment to repeat. I can set a custom frame rate for it if I want, and I can even hold the last frame, and I can preview it in this little window here. And I can keep chaining on intros until it settles on the final animation. What I can also do is create just a simple playlist of chains. So in the second tool here, we can just simply add sections, set frames, set the amount of times we want it to repeat, same options, we can preview each section and keep adding. And what that will do, as I keep adding, is it will create a playlist that it loops through indefinitely. So it's up to you which tool you want to use. Just remember, you download your SVG afterwards, and that's ready to mint directly on chain.